Welcome today in front of me XIAOMI 11T Pro, and I'll show you how to disable ringtone volume on this device. So first, just go to the settings and here find the sounds and vibrations section. Tap here, and right now you can see that the ringtone volume is set up. Just to turn it off, swipe with your finger here on to the left side. Also you got the second way how you can do that. For example, just here press on your volume button, and right now you'll see here the three dots. Just swipe with your finger to the down, and as can you see, that's so easy. If you like this video, leave like, comment and subscribe our channel.